here's a follow-up that people have been asking about. There'll probably be more. I did not report the homeowner to the police, but someone obviously did. And the video itself got millions of views and they're tagged hundreds of times. And because of that, York Regional Police reached out to me and I had to go there today and I spent about an hour with the detective. We went over the whole situation. I had to upload the videos to their system. They were just reiterating my side of the story. Now, I made it clear, I don't want to press charges. I don't want to ruin this guy's life. From his point of view, he thought he was protecting his family and his neighbors. And honestly, that neighborhood has seen some terrible crimes. Just recently, just after our encounter, there was another murder in Kleinburg. So I understand why people there are on edge. It's horrible. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. That being said, the way he handled it wasn't right. I was just, I was at a dead-end street. I had my light on low. I was looking at an abandoned property. If he had simply come out unarmed and talked to me, this would have been a nothing burger. But instead, he confronted me with what looked like a rifle, and later he and his family and another guy followed me back to my car, and that was enough for me. That was too aggressive, and I warned him, and that's what happened. I said, listen, buddy, I have a heavy social media presence, and you've been warned. This is going to come back and bite you in the ass. Now, the police are going to decide what happens next. If that was a real firearm, he could lose his license or face charges. If it was just a pellet gun, he may still get hit with a careless use. Either way, it's out of my hands. Now, my bigger concern, though, is this. What if it hadn't been me? I'm a middle-aged guy with a camera. I look pretty mundane and harmless. But what if it was a teenager in a hoodie or someone who didn't fit his narratives? That situation could have gone very differently and much, much worse. So I think that we are all very lucky in the way that it played out. That's all I can share for now, but I'll keep you updated. And hey, if you're new here, my name is Mike. I review a lot of outdoor gear and flashlights and such. On my other channel, I review dash cams and I kind of put my everyday life stuff up on Instagram. You can find the links to my other channel below. And if you like flashlights, I'm your guy. Plus, around Christmas time, I tend to give them out. I do like this little Christmas extravaganza thing. So I appreciate all the support and all the people that were supporting the gun person. I understand your point of view. I mean, Canada has gone to shit lately. There's been an uptick in crime, and I have some thoughts on it. But maybe I'll save that for another video. Now, I have run for the MP. I have run for a MP in the Green Party. I ran for regional councillor in Brampton here. I'm fairly active politically, and I want to cut back on crime as much as that person. But where I think the problem lies is that young people can't find jobs and they're bored and they need money and they're going out and doing unspeakable acts of violence and criminal activity. We'll save that for another video though. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.